So, good evening everyone. I am Minchus John Biclantang. I am 19 years old and my birth date is January 26, 2007. I am the eldest son of Liza M. Bustamante and Renel G. Klantang. I have, uh, I have a brother, is Renel B. Klantang, and now I am currently living in Southern Leyte, Tomas Opos, and my goal in life is to become a successful police officer. I don't just want a job. I want to be someone uh, who contributes something lasting to society. So beyond my career, I also aim to reach a point of financial stability where I can fully support my family and give back to the people who helped me get here. So also, uh, my goal in life is to become a dedicated and professional police officer, serving as a pillar of society and integrity within my community. So I have always been driven by a desire to protect those who cannot protect themselves and up to uphold law with fairness and respect. So also, for me, being a police officer isn't about the uniform or the authority. It is about the daily opportunity uh, to make a tangible difference in people's lives and to ensure that my neighborhood remains place where families can thrive without fear. So also, beyond my call to service, I am deeply motivated by the goal of achieving a stable life and a secure career. So growing up, I've understood the importance of reliability, and I want to reach a point where I can provide a consistent and comfortable life for myself and for my family also. So, obtaining a permanent position in law enforcement represents more than just a paycheck. It represents the foundation of my future also. So having a stable job will allow me to give back to my parents for their sacrifices and build a legacy of hard work and responsibility that I can be proud for years to come. So this semester, the most drastic improvement I am making to myself in a complete shift in my physical and mental discipline. So being a police officer requires a high level of endurance and the ability to stay calm under extreme pressure. So I am moving away from a passive lifestyle and committing to a rigorous daily routine. So this means that uh, this means that waking up earlier, sticking to a strict fitness regimen, and practicing mental toughness. So, by staying focused on my studies, even when I feel exhausted, I am defending this change because a police officer's life depends on their preparation. So, if I cannot master my own body and remains now as a student, so I cannot expect to be a reliable when the safety of the public is in my hand. So also, uh, in addition to physical discipline, I am making a significant improvement. So in my communication, so and conflict resolution skill. In the past, I may have been more reserved or hesitant to speak up, but I realized that a great officer must be a master of verbal judo. So the ability to do escalate tense situation using only words. So this semester I am pushing myself to be more vocal in class discussion and more intentional in how I interact with others. So I believe this improvement is vital because the best weapon an officer has is their ability to communicate clearly and fairly. So, by forcing myself out of my comfort zone today, I am ensuring that I will be composed and effective leader in the field tomorrow. So, as I look at my goal of becoming a police officer, I realize that National Service Training Program or NSTP isn't just a graduation requirement. So, it is a fundamental uh, training ground for my future career. So, the core philosophy of NSTP is service to the nation. So, which is the exact same oath I will take when I eventually join the police force. So, uh, this subject introduces me for the concept of civic consciousness, while other subjects teach me technical theories. So, NSTP teaches me how to look at my community and identify where help is needed most. So, a good police officer isn't just someone who catches criminals. They are a community leader who understands the social fabric of the neighborhood they protect. So, NSTP gives me the first real taste of the responsibility. Also, my developing patriotism and social responsibility. So, furthermore, uh, NSTP emphasizes patriotism and diplomacy. So, in law enforcement, you are a representative of the state. So, this subject challenge me to move beyond my personal interest and think about the common good. So, through the community outreach and civic projects we do in this course, I am learning how to interact with the diverse groups of people, from the youth to the elderly and the marginalized. So, this is vital because as a future officer, I will be dealing with people all walks of life. So, often on their worst day, NSTP is helping me build the empathy and cultural sensitivity required to do escalate situations and build trust within community rather than just relying on force. So, also, lastly, the structured nature of NSTP mirrors the discipline and teamwork required in the police academy. So, whether we are organizing a clean-up drive, uh, a literacy program, or a disaster preparedness uh, semester or seminar, I am learning how to work within a chain of command and how to lead a team toward a shared goal. So, also, it reinforces the values of integrity and volunteerism. So, I believe that if I can't dedicate myself to the community now through NSTP, I won't be ready for the sacrifices requires in professional law enforcement. So, this subject is my dry run for public service. So, it is where I prove to myself and my instructors that I have the heart and dedication to wear the badge and serve the Filipino people with high honor.